Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can upload signed documents to an opportunity from your Lone Wolf transaction. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. We're signed in here with our KW login credentials. Now, a couple notes, if you have not already connected your Lone Wolf account, already created the opportunity and connected the Lone Wolf transaction to that. And even if you haven't already set up a signing and sent those out for signatures, you'll want to check our tip videos on how to do that first if you need that. Today we're just going to be showing you how to upload the signed documents from the Lone Wolf Transact. We've already created the signing. It's already been signed by our clients. So now we just need to upload it into command in order to submit it to our market center for compliance. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to my opportunities applet, which is this handshake icon right here. And from here, I'm going to find the opportunity that I have this for. For me, it's easiest just to go to the opportunities tab and select the opportunity because I know it's right up at the top. You can also use the pipelines view if you know which pipeline it's in, or you can search all opportunities and find it right in there as well. Again, back to the all opportunities tab here, I'm just going to select my opportunity, and then I'm going to go to the documents tab. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to Transact. I'll show you what it looks like once it's been signed by our clients. So it's going to go ahead and pull up the transaction we've already created in Lone Wolf Transact. Now, if we go over to the signings tab, you'll see that this signing has been completed, which means that all parties have signed that document. So if we go over to our paperwork tab, these are the two documents we sent out. And when we sent out these forms for signing, so once we sent them out, we set a which folder they were going to return to. So the return folder, we set it to be our listed folder so that we can upload them to our listed section in command. So we'll see right here that it's been signed and we can see those individual documents here. So I just wanted to show you that. The rest we're actually going to go do back in our opportunity. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click sync to transact here just so we can make sure that everything is up to date. And then once it's been synced, we should be able to select in the documents that we need, the different form types through here. We should be able to go in and select them individually. So we can select our working folder right here and then upload them directly. I'm going to go ahead and go with listed. Let's go ahead and remove that and see if we can get it added right in here. Might have to refresh our screen here. Give it a second to load. There we go. Now we can select it. So again, just go ahead once it's been signed. You may have to refresh your opportunity once you've synced it with Transact, just to have that pull in properly. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click this drop down menu and then I will select the proper one. So we'll go ahead and go with our exclusive right to sell. We can go with our property disclosure or that one's a different one, but just upload those documents into the correct fields here. And then once you've uploaded all of the correct documents, once they've been signed and uploaded, you're going to go ahead and click submit to MC right here. That's going to send it over to your market center staff so that they can review it and approve it for compliance, so that you can go through and do that. You're going to do that with each of your folders here. So listed, under contract, and closed, with all of the forms that are required for your specific transaction, any optional ones that you need to add as well for that specific transaction. You'll want to go ahead and upload before you submit it to the market center. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.